This is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and today we have another question from Lee. And Lee asks, what is better for long-lasting campaigns, native or Facebook ads, when running sweepstakes? Well, that is a very interesting question. But before we answer this question, let me just notify you once more that the Debrew Suite beta program is live now. You can get access to a free landing page builder, tracker, spy tool, all of my softwares, and of course the community by signing up at www.debrew.com/beta-register or check the link in the description below and you can use all these tools for free. But enough of that, let's answer this question. So it is very an interesting question, to be fair, but also if you follow my previous content, you wouldn't ask this question. But no hard feelings, Lee, let me answer it for you. Long-lasting campaigns, that is the keyword. Running sweepstakes on native is a big no. When we talk about single opt-in, double opt-in, perhaps pin submit has some opportunity, but it will be tier 3, tier 2 really. And when we look about tier 1, the sweepstakes you can run there is credit card trials. When you talk about sweepstakes and you don't identify what specifically you're talking about, I would say you talk about single opt-in, because else people would say credit card trials, right? So if you are talking about sweepstakes single opt-in on native, it's a no-no. The relative CPM is too high to make money that way. On Facebook, single opt-in, also long-lasting campaigns is the keyword, a no-no. If you want quick money, then yes. If you don't mind all the bans and the ups and downs, then yes, you can run on Facebook ads with sweepstakes, single opt-in. However, if you are looking for long-lasting campaigns which require little effort, then that is not going to happen, right? There will be a lot of headaches, but obviously there's also a very high ROI. When we look at native, credit card trials is possible. However, why don't you look at push? So push obviously is less stable. However, you can have long-lasting campaigns. Long-lasting campaigns in terms of running these campaigns in different geos, scaling horizontally over different sources. So these campaigns might profit $50 to $100 a day. Running 10 campaigns is not that bad. Or running 10 profitable campaigns out of all the campaigns you have live, right? All in all, push might be a better source for you. If you are looking for, so to say, passive income, which is completely bullshit, but if you say I want long-lasting campaigns, I assume you want to put in little effort. CPA is not the right media buying method for you, because CPA will ask consistent work from you. If you are willing to put in the work, then great. However, I would still not go single opt-in with push, only when you have a very small budget. If you have a normal size budget, so let's say $1 to $5 to $10,000, if you are serious about starting a business, I would definitely go for native credit card trials, sweepstake types. So win an iPhone for $1. They're super sketchy offers. They bring in consistent ROI because they're so likable. Who doesn't want iPhone 12 Pro for $3, right? Or $2? Everybody wants that. So they're very high ICTR, very good CTR on the lander because the fake bullshit stories. And the conversions are consistent. You don't need to refresh creatives that often because it just makes sense. If you get an iPhone for $2, nobody is going to dislike that. You don't need a crazy angle, no fruit, no secret recipes like we do with all the keto offers and stuff. This will be a simple one. iPhone for $2, $3, everybody, it makes sense to everybody, it relates to everybody, it resonates with everybody because these items are expensive, right? So I would say that will be a good one, and those are actually quite long. I don't know why Instruct is in here. This is the end. These are actually quite long-lasting campaigns. So with the CC trials, the volume is low, right? So there will not be a lot of traffic. So if you can spend $100 per day per country, I would say that would still be pretty good on optimized sources. You would probably spend between 1 and 2K a day. On native is not bad. It's on the very low end of things, but on optimized sources, meaning you would make with a 30% ROI, maybe between $500 and $600 a day running CC trials. I think that is very good, and it will be quite stable, long lasting, because everybody loves these offers, right? So Lee, I hope that answers your question. Thank you so much. If you have a question, put it down in the comments below. If it's interesting, I will have a look. And don't forget to sign up for the Debru Suite beta. There is a link for this in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.